Hi, you guys are still looking for some module for your Odoo dashboards, or maybe you guys are using some Dhinchak type of Odoo app which actually generate the dashboards. Very frankly, such apps will slow down the entire database of Odoo, the entire Odoo experience, since it is not designed as per the business intelligence standards. So the solution is there are many business intelligence softwares in the market. One of them is PowerBI, and we have already launched our PowerBI module, which is integrated with Odoo with many default visuals, standard visuals, which most of the companies look for as a dashboard. And also we are providing 5 hours of support for configuration training so that you can make your customized dashboard also. You can reach us. Thank you.